Assam police working at Churaibari police watch post on the Assam Tripura border recovered 1,600 bottles of narcotic cough syrup in 16 cartons from a container vehicle bearing number NL01AC0700 on the way to smuggling in Tripura. The driver of the car was also arrested. It is learned that on Friday morning, when a container vehicle carrying online retail goods bearing number NL01AC0700 arrived at the Naka point in front of the Churaibari police watch post on the Assam Tripura border, the vehicle was searched by the Assam police. In the operation, a total of 1,600 bottles of narcotic cough syrup in 16 cartons were recovered from the car, the black market value of which is more than 15 lakhs. The driver of the car was arrested at the same time. His name is Dev, resident of Ambasa of Dalai district. The police have registered a case under the NDPS Act against the co-driver at the Bajari Chora police station. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.